I tried making $100 in just 2 hours. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys through step-by-step process of how I was able to achieve that. If you're someone that's looking for a freelancing job or a work from home job, then this is the video you should be watching, because we're going to be looking at a website that I've used in the past which has paid me, and I'm later going to show you my payment proofs. Hey guys, welcome and thank you for watching. My name is Mpho and I share content on how to make money online. If this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please grab a seat as we dive right in. This is the company we're going to be looking at. It's called Tellus International. This is their homepage. And when we go down, we can find more information about this company and the services they provide. But in short, this is a company that looks into improving AI. So that's the information you can expect to get on their homepage. After doing a couple of studies on TELUS International and Mpho, I became more interested in knowing and fully understanding AI. So I came across an article that was specifically talking about the advantages and disadvantage of artificial intelligence. Well, the advantage of artificial intelligence is that it's going to make our life easier, as we already know that we've got self-driving cars, we already have voice assistants such as Siri and Alexa, we have smart appliances, but the disadvantage of AI hits hard. A lot of careers are going to be replaced by artificial intelligence, and the sad part is that some people are not even aware of that and they are studying in those fields. Imagine studying for something only to be replaced by a robot in the next 5 years. If you are a student and you want to further your studies, please do research on the course that you're going to study. It is very important. You can simply come and see if your country is available, but the full-time position is not available worldwide. And then with the AI position, it is available worldwide. So here it says join our remote AI community of 1 million plus members. So when we go down, we're going to be looking at some of the reasons you might want to be part of this community. The first one being work flexibility. So you're going to set your own schedule, you're going to work from anywhere and anytime. The other one is diversity and opportunities. They've got a wide range of opportunities for people of all background, and they are fair treatment and pay. So they're going to pay you what you deserve, and they're going to treat you with respect. Another one being support. Their support team is amazing. Whenever you've got a problem, they will definitely help you. Some of the jobs you can expect to do on TELUS International is data annotation jobs, data enrichment jobs, and also online rating jobs and online map and data analysis. So when we go down, this is the testimonials of people that have been part of this website and have worked on this website. So you can simply come and read more on that. Here it says become part of our growing AI family. So we're going to come here to see open AI position. So we're going to click here, and then it's going to direct us to a page like this one. So here is where you can search the available jobs. You can simply type in the keyword, your language, or the job type, or your location. So here, as you can see, I entered Central African Republic, Kenya, Nigeria, South Africa, United States of America. So it's going to show me the available positions for these countries. As you can see, we've got South Africa, we've got 2 positions for South Africa, and we've got 2 positions for Nigeria, and we've got 1 position for Kenya. So this is how you actually search if there are available positions in your location. So we're going to get started by signing up to this website. So we're going to come back to the we're going to come back here and say join our AI community. So you're going to click here. After clicking here, you're going to be directed to a page like this one. So if you don't have an account with TELUS International, come here to where it says don't have an account, click on the sign up button, and this is where you can get started. So you're going to enter in your email address. So we're going to enter our email, which is mphokendes29@gmail.com. and then we're going to enter in our first name and our last name. And then we're going to enter continue. So after clicking continue, they're going to send you an email. So for the project that I'm currently doing, I didn't go and look for it on their website or their LinkedIn page. TELUS International sent me an email asking if I would be interested in participating in this project. And after looking at the requirements, I accepted the offer. And I realized that this is what they do. If you have previously completed projects with them, they will first consider you before they put the project on their LinkedIn page or their website. So this is an opportunity that came to me, and I'm quite happy because this is a 1 year contract where I will be working with this amazing company. Before heading to the payment proof, I'm going to take this opportunity to kindly ask you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also give this video a like if you found value in it so that it can reach more people that are looking to make money online. If you are a new subscriber or you recently joined this community, kindly comment down in the comment section saying that I am a new subscriber so that I can welcome you as part of my community. Now we're going to be looking at the payment. So I'm going to say TELUS PayPal, and we're going to click on the first one, which was on the 31st of December 2023, and I received a total of $102.80 from TELUS International. The second payment was $10.80 from TELUS International. This was on the 16th of November 2023. And then we've got other payments that I received, I think it was last year and the year before. I received a total of $7 from TELUS International, which was on May 15, 2023. And another payment from TELUS International, which was $20 on the 31st of August 2022. So this is the payments from this company called TELUS International. So there you have it, guys, how I made $100 in just 2 hours with TELUS International. This is a great option for someone looking for some extra income with no long-term commitment. I'm going to leave the link for this website down on the description box. Alternatively, you can write it down on your notepad and check it out on your spare time. Until the next video, take care.